Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use UV-Fit fish oil. This guide will help you understand how to effectively integrate this beneficial supplement into your daily health regimen. We'll cover everything from understanding its key components to proper dosage and important considerations. UV-Fit fish oil is designed to support your well-being, and knowing how to use it correctly ensures you get the most out of every softgel. Let's dive in and learn how to optimize your intake for maximum benefit. UV-Fit fish oil offers a range of impressive health benefits. It's well known for supporting cardiovascular health, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure and triglyceride levels. Beyond that, the omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are vital for optimal brain function and can enhance cognitive abilities. Many users also find it helps reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for joint comfort and overall bodily ease. Plus, it contributes to healthy vision, making it a truly comprehensive supplement for your well-being. For optimal results with UV-Fit fish oil, understanding the correct dosage and timing is crucial. Most recommendations suggest taking 1 to 2 softgels daily, which typically delivers around 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. It's best to take your supplement with a meal, as this significantly improves absorption and can help prevent any mild digestive upset. Establishing a consistent routine, perhaps with breakfast or dinner, will ensure you don't miss a dose. Remember, always speak with your doctor for advice tailored to your specific health needs. Before concluding, let's cover some important considerations for using UV-Fit fish oil. Proper storage is vital. Keep your bottle in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to preserve the integrity of the omega-3 fatty acids. Always check the expiration date to ensure you're consuming a fresh and effective product. If you are on blood-thinning medications, it's essential to consult your doctor before starting fish oil, as it can have mild anticoagulant effects. Should you experience any unusual side effects, please stop use and seek medical advice immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.